first, called Dreams of the Sleeping Birds, followed by a men's song called My Girl, and then we'll finish with a combined piece, an a cappella song called Bound for Jubilee. So while the ladies are filing on, you will notice after the third song it says that we're going to have a guitarist, and that is untrue. That guitarist, Aaron Cates, is in the choir. He performed the guitar at last year's festival. It'd be a little tougher to perform guitar on an a cappella song, so we'll just pretend he's playing an invisible guitar, and I guess that makes the program correct. So here comes the Northbrook Junior High Concert Choir ladies singing Dreams of the Sleeping Birds.